In a bright moonlit classroom, Luna the Llama leads kids through a cozy snack time set of friendly words and simple phrases. They clap and chant as they name foods and actions like eat, yum, and please with playful melodies. A rainbow board shows picture cards that flash verbs and nouns, while Luna models how to build sentences like I eat apples. A short call and response game has friends acting out verbs with gentle animations, reinforcing grammar through movement and song. The episode ends with a lullaby about sharing and asking for more, inviting kids to practice again tomorrow.